Welcome to Have a Happy Arty Time. My name's Janette and I'm back with a video using up our backgrounds and roll-off sheets. So you can see I have a copy of my graphite drawing underneath my jelly plate. This makes it such a simple process for tracing with my acrylic ink now on top of my jelly plate. And I'm using my skewer here. It's just a normal skewer that I've cut down, taken the point off and made myself a little implement enabling me to outline my drawing with the acrylic ink. It's so much fun. It really is simple and I'd love you to be able to give it a go. So I'm just going to continue on now and outline this, and then I'll be back to let you know what my next steps are throughout the video. Okay, sit back, relax and enjoy. Just using my cotton buds now to clean off a little bit of the ink and just spread a little bit of the ink out in some areas. And now putting on the matte medium and using my brayer to brayer that out in a nice thin layer. And then we're going to pull the print. So here we are, paper's down, and I'm just going to let that dry and also place a heavy book on that for a few minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes whilst it's drying, and then lift that off and we'll be able to pull this print. The matte medium and the acrylic ink make it so easy to lift the print. It comes off really beautifully. You can see here it's all there. It's wonderful. And now for some white gesso. It's watered down just a little bit, and with this I'm just going to fade out the background a little and also put a ground down so that my watercolour has a surface that can be painted on. Okay, so that's that part, and here I am with the watercolours. I've added some water to them in their little pots, and I'm just adding in the yellow now. It's lovely. It's going to brighten up my pink, going to turn a little bit orange on those flowers, and I think it's going to be a nice mixture of colours for this particular background. I just love using the jelly plate. It gives you so many options, and these backgrounds, I have a box full of them, so I thought I need to get these out and do something with them. And it's a lot of fun to just start with an idea and get out that jelly plate again and make it happen. This particular roll-off sheet was one that I used for one of my shorts, video shorts with the cat, the Egyptian cat, and I can still see that in the middle of that vase. If you look very closely, there's the cat. So you might like to check out that video as well. Just lightening off some areas now, spreading out that watercolour paint, and really loving this, really loving this. It's coming along. I've put a little bit of black in the centre there with some lighter green, and just making more olive green to go in there as well. And yeah, this is a lot of fun. So nearly finished on these flowers, and now I'm going to be adding a little bit of the black acrylic ink around the vase just to make it match up with those flowers with the outline. And again, such an easy process and a lot of fun, plenty of ideas with the jelly plate. Just love it. So I hope you enjoy this and get a chance to make some incredible art with jelly plates. Have a happy arty time. Stay safe. Bye for now.